Hello, I'm Priya Lokre. Today, let us see about how to use Mendeley. You all know very well, Mendeley is a desktop version which is used to citation and bibliographic report. So, in research field, it is very essential tool for us. So, let's see how to use it. So I have this Word file, and let's start from this is a desktop version of Mendeley. I have already downloaded it. You can download it from browser, and then you have, so these are some downloaded research papers are here. Let's start from here. File, edit, view, tools, help. So these are some options here. So by clicking on it, you can add files, folders, watch folder, then add entry manually. So there are many. So you can import your documents or your related research work from BibTeX, EndNotes, Research Information System and Zotero library, which are working similar like Mendeley, but I used to prefer Mendeley because it's simple to use, very easy. Then here is a quit option also. So edit option is also there, cut, copy, paste options, new folder, new group, then view. So library as citation, library as table, citation style. So there are many citation styles. Out of 100 citation styles, you can use anyone you want within a single click. Then in tool, you can invite colleagues. So this is the advantage of Mendeley. You can invite colleagues, install web importer, uninstall MS Word plugin. So this is the most important uh, option here. So you have to, I have already installed. You have, after downloading Mendeley desktop version, you have to install MS Word plugin. So there are, let's see what is in option. Okay, there are many more things, but let's start from basics. Here, similar option here, add files. You can add PDF files, then PDF files, Word files. You can add folders, watch folder, add entry. You can do entry manually also, and here other similar options are here. Here is synchronize option. So you can synchronize or refresh the data here. Then this is the option all documents. So by clicking on it, I can see all downloaded research papers and books here. And then on clicking on second option, I can see recently added research papers. Then recently read, then favorites, so no favorite added here. Then my publication, no any publication here. So here are some folders. So by making folders, you can easily access that particular topic or particular research work. So only that, suppose here is the folder of Coprophilus fungi, or here is the folder of Adansonia germination. So I can see all downloaded research paper of Adansonia related to Adansonia germination here. Okay, so okay, let's go to the all document. In all document, in here filter option is given here. In filter option, you can see the document by author keywords. You can see by author name, filter by my tags. So if you have applied any tags, so you can see by the and filter by publication. So I have chosen here filter by author. So I can easily suppose I have chosen here Abu Bakr A. So okay, so here is the research paper. I can see here effect of pH on mycelial growth and sporulation of Aspergillus parasiticus. So this is the journal title, authors, uh, journal name, year, volume, issue, and pages, and with the abstracts. So all information you can easily cite from here. So then okay, I'm going to here I have to select this one, all options. Let us see how to add citation with the help of Mendeley Reference Manager. So suppose I want to select this one. So just double click on it, select the required sentences, copy it and paste it here in Word file. Okay, so do some correction in it. Okay, so I want to add citation at the last. Then click on insert citation. You can put also author's names here and select from here, click on OK and cite from here also. But the problem is that one author may have more than one paper, two paper, three paper, so it may be confusion and wrong citation may take place here. So it's better just go to Mendeley and select the author from here. Then click on you can see here double inverted comma option, cite option. Click on cite option. Citation will come up within 2 seconds here. Then now let's take another example. I want to add this paper now. So click on it, select the required. So I'm going to show you how to select the sentences. Okay, click on it, copy and then go to the Word file, paste it. I have to remove this. So now this time I want to add citation in the beginning. So click on the insert citation option, go to Mendeley, select the paper. I have already selected it. Then click on cite option. Okay, so citation now come here. Let's see another example. Select another paper, select required sentences, copy it, then go to the Word file, paste it, and now add the citation as we had done previously. Click on insert citation button, go to Mendeley, then cite the article. So how you can see how easy it is. Let's go to the Mendeley. Now here in the tool there is an option install MS Word plugin. So you have to install this option. By clicking on it or by installing this option, you will get this Mendeley cytomatic. In Mendeley cytomatic, there is an insert option, insert bibliography. You can open Mendeley from here and a referencing style option here. So with the help of this, we have already seen here how to insert the citations, and this is referencing style option. There are many more referencing style options are here. More than 100 referencing styles are there. You can choose anyone as you want, as your requirement. So I have selected American Psychological Association 7th edition. So now my data is ready to insert the bibliography. Let us see how to insert the bibliography. So for inserting the bibliography, you have to just click on insert bibliography option. Within 1 second, you have your bibliography with the APA citation here. Suppose if I want to change my referencing style, so you do not need to worry so much. Just click on required citation style option, and now here you have. Okay, the citation style changed here. Number 1, like so. You can add another option here. Here you have modern humanities referencing style option. So it's easy, just within a 1 click. So let's come to the original APA option. So I'm going to add another referencing data. So by this way you can understand how the bibliography will added here automatically. So from now you don't need to click again and again insert bibliography option. Whenever you put the data here with the insert citation option, the required or the related bibliography will automatically come up here. So how it will happen, let's see. Okay. Now I want to add this one. Click on it. Okay. Just go to the previous option, Mango History and Origin. Do copy it and go to the My Library again. Here we have, and go to the Word file. Paste your data here. Then go to the insert citation option. Go to Mendeley and then select cite option. So we have added reference from Yadav et al. Let us see bibliographic references there or not. Okay, you have seen Yadav et al. Directly added, so we don't need to click again and again on insert bibliography option. So this is all about how to add citation and bibliography data to the Mendeley. Then let us see how to add research paper from Google Scholar to the Mendeley Reference Manager. Suppose I have selected this paper, so click on it.
इथे कुठून कसे हात लावले वाटते खाली त्याचे ओठ झाले काही होतच त्याच्यामुळे हात लावले काठच करायचं दुसऱ्यावरच वाटत नाही पाणी नसतं नेमकं पाणी होतं तेव्हा नेमच तरी दुसऱ्याला पाण्याची काय
Okay, this is all about Mendeley Reference Manager. So in this video we have seen how to add the citation and bibliographic data with the help of Mendeley Reference Manager. In the next video we will see how to add the research paper in Mendeley Reference Manager from the Google Scholar. Okay, till then, thank you. Bye bye.